October 7th. The guy that puts the seam together, sheetrocks the seam, is all done. Let's turn on the lights. Turn everything on. He seamed this all together. Let me get the lights on. All these lights on. We saved the plastic for the painting, so we'll give them a break on that. They never got the doors in. I don't know why. Still gonna have to fix our door. Okay, so let's check his seam work here. I guess. That's how it is. All the cracks seem to be fixed. Well, I get some big texture there. All right, yeah, kind of matches, I guess. And on the floor, you just have that little bump, I guess. That's how they all are, I guess. Huh? Turning everything on. Who's that guy? Everything's working. Hey, this door's shut. This door wasn't shutting, so I don't know what he did. He kind of bent that out maybe a little bit. All right, let's check this door. It's better. It's better, but it's not great. Look at this. I don't know. Whatever. Huh. Look at that little gouge. Hopefully the pipes didn't freeze last night. We got water, we got power. Let's keep going. Didn't take the stickers off the windows. This room didn't have any cracks anyway. We did put I'm not seeing any cracks. In the sheetrock. A lot of weight. Huh. What's this little wet spot there? I don't know. I don't know. Thermos was here. Didn't seal it. All right. I have to wipe that off. Hasn't been plugged in yet. Look at the lights in there though, that's nice. I guess.